YouTube is the world's most popular video platform and naturally the kids love it too. Everyone knows that YouTube has some fantastic videos that are great for kids, but a few controversies has hit the site since last year when people discovered that kids have been viewing some rather inappropriate videos on the service. And just not YouTube, even YouTube Kids, the app designed for kid-friendly content, is also affected. But thankfully, by enabling a few options, parents can keep their children safe from inappropriate content. We show you how. First up, go to the Google Play Store or iOS App Store and download the YouTube Kids app if you haven't already. Now the first thing that you should do is set up Passcode. To do that, open the app and tap the lock icon on the bottom right. Solve the mathematical problem and tap Set My Own Passcode. Now again solve the mathematical problem and hit Submit. Enter your 4-digit passcode, confirm it, and you're all set. This will create a passcode to access the app's settings and restrictions. As long as kids don't know this passcode, they won't be able to bypass any restrictions on YouTube Kids. Moving ahead, if you are signed into an account, then follow these steps to enable the relevant settings to keep your children safe on YouTube Kids. Open the app and tap the lock icon on the bottom right. Enter your passcode and tap Settings. Now tap your kid's profile name, enter your Gmail password and sign in. From the list of options that come up, first disable Allow Searching. This will remove the search option and prevent your kid from finding videos on YouTube Kids. Next, enable Approved Content Only. Once you do this, you can go to the app's home screen and select the channels you want your kids to watch videos from. Each of these channels has been approved by a human curator, so your child isn't at the mercy of Google's algorithms alone. Third, enable Pause Watch History. This will prevent YouTube Kids from using video views or search terms in the app to recommend videos. Now let's talk about limiting the time your kid spends on the app. Here's how to do it. Open the app and tap the lock icon on the bottom right. Enter your passcode and tap on Timer. With this, you can now set a time limit between 1 and 60 minutes. Once you are done, tap Start Timer. Lastly, by following these steps, you will be able to report inappropriate videos on YouTube Kids. Open the app and play any video. Now while your video is playing, hit pause and tap the 3-dot icon on the top right. Now tap the report button and select the issue with the video from the 3 given options. Once selected, hit report. You can also block certain videos from appearing on the YouTube Kids app. To do that, open any channel on YouTube Kids. Choose a video, tap the 3-dot icon under it and select block this video. These steps will allow you to keep inappropriate videos away from your children on the YouTube Kids app. And that's about it for this video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below if you found this helpful. Also, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new awesome video. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.